Hello and welcome, I'm Navy2 and this is 3D Print Magazine Part 3, Section 2. Okay, so this is the build of the parts that we received from the magazine in the third drop, so you get to see me here playing with the motor and then adding the cog onto the motor. It needs to be screwed into the main shaft with the small Allen key thread. To lock it into place, it goes against the flat side of the shaft. Okay, so you can see me messing about with the motor inside there. I did mess up here by not putting the click switch in, and I had to unscrew the motor afterwards and screw the motor back in. I'll jump cut to that soon. But what I did was just remove the first two screws at the top, slide it backwards with the band unattached, place that in the click switch, and then screwed the click switch down. It has two screws and they just screw into the metal, which is good. I didn't think they'd do that. That's why I didn't do it last time. Okay, you can see me untangling the wire here, and here's the kill switch that I'm going to be putting in very shortly. Here's me undoing the screws kind of out of shot and placing the kill switch in. Quite badly out of shot actually, my bad. Okay, you can see I replaced the band. Make sure the band is attached to both sides. Sounds like a basic thing, however it is something that I forgot when I did it. I'm not too sure if it was this shot. Yeah, it was this shot. You can see me trying to get the band back on the other side, and then I kind of realise and I slide it, attach the band back, attach it back at the top side, make sure it works, and then it's time to tighten the screws to lock it in place. You're going to keep them fairly tight. And you need to make sure that the arm moves quite freely. If it doesn't, there are other ways that are described in the book in order to make it move a bit more freely. The little metal clip on the arm, you can use that, you can unscrew that and reattach that to the band in order to keep it moving smoothly if you're having issues with the band falling off one side. I didn't have that issue, but that's what it says in the book. Okay, here you can see I have the PCB motherboard, chipset, whatever it is, and I'm just going to take the other chipset out. You need to make sure it lines up with the board. And then you place it on, push it down, and you have yourself the finished bit. So, yeah. You just place it back in the box, and then you need to place the top cover of it, and then you need to plug it into the plastic bits. So, you take the motor, the plug from the motor, plug that into the board, and then take also the plug from the kill switch, and plug that into the board. Now, one thing I did have about this is when I actually got to the next stage, I noticed the click switch didn't actually do anything, so I don't know if there's actually a point in plugging it into the board. I'm not sure if anyone else had the same issue there, or if that was just me, maybe I had a faulty one, but it didn't seem to do much. Plug it into the power and plug it into the box, and then very shortly you'll see me cut to a working video of this thing working. Okay, here it is. There's me pushing it too far, and then you can see that the click switch didn't do anything. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe, let me know what you think. Follow me on Twitter, that's @Neo442, and thanks for watching.